Hello students, today we will study about the cotton textile industry. Cotton textile industry is highly organized and also most important in India. There are 1866 cotton textile mills. Out of these, 82% mills are owned by private entrepreneurs. 10% mills are under government control and 8% mills are in the cooperative sector. The first modern textile mills was established in Calcutta in the year 1818, but it was a failure. The first modern successful mill was set up in 1851 in Mumbai by Sri Nanabhai Dabar. Since the first cotton textile mill was set up in Mumbai, it was known as the capital of textile industry. Subsequently, this industry was localized in Ahmedabad and therefore Ahmedabad was named the Manchester of India. After independence, the production of cotton textile increased appreciably, whereas the production of cotton cloths was 421.5 crore meter in 1950 to 51. It rose to 4957.7 crore meter in 2005 to 6. So students, जो cotton textile industries होती हैं वो 1818 में सबसे पहले इस्टेब्लिश की गई कलकत्ता में, लेकिन वो फेल हो गई. उसके बाद 1851 में मुंबई में श्री नाना भाई डाबर ने एक मॉडर्न सक्सेसफुल मिल इस्टेब्लिश की. इसके बाद कॉटन टेक्सटाइल मिल जो है मुंबई में सेटअप होने के बाद उसका जो नाम था वो कैपिटल ऑफ टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री पड़ गया. मुंबई जो थी वो कैपिटल ऑफ टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री के नाम से जानी जाने लगी. फिर इसी कंटिन्यूटी में इंडस्ट्री एक और अहमदाबाद में इस्टेब्लिश की गई और उसके बाद जो अहमदाबाद है वो भारत का मैनचेस्टर बन गया टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री का. इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद जो कॉटन टेक्सटाइल का प्रोडक्शन है वो बहुत ही अप्रिशिएबली इंक्रीज हुआ है. मतलब बहुत उसकी तारीफ की जानी चाहिए कि जो प्रोडक्शन कॉटन क्लॉथ का था 421.5 करोड़ मीटर जो 5051 में था वो बढ़ करके 4957.7 करोड़ मीटर हो गया 2005 to 6 में. Dispersal of cotton textile industry. Cotton is used as raw material in the cotton textile industry. Cotton growing areas are therefore useful for setting up this industry. Besides, humid climate is useful. Therefore, most of the units are localized closer to the seashore or cotton growing areas. Main producing states are as under Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu. So let's see in Maharashtra cotton industry. In the sector of cotton textile, Maharashtra ranks first in India. Here, there are 119 mills. Out of these, 101 units are such where both spinning and weaving is done. Remaining 18 mills are engaged only in spinning. Mumbai is the main industrial center. There are 54 cotton textile mills. Other centers of cotton textile in the state are Solapur, Pune, Nagpur, Wardha, Amroti, Akola, Aurangabad, etc. In Gujarat, Gujarat is the second biggest center. There are 118 mills, out of which 24 are spinning and weaving mills and 24 are only spinning mills. Ahmedabad is the leading center of cotton textile not only in Gujarat but in the whole country, when there are 69 mills, Other cotton textile centers are Vadodara, Bharuch, Surat, Bhavnagar, Rajkot, etc. Tamil Nadu. The state ranks third in the country. Here, there are 439 small units. Most of the mills do spinning only. The credit of setting up of this industry in the state goes to the electricity production, Coimbatore is the main center of this industry. It is called Manchester of the South. Other centers are Madurai, Chennai, Tirunelveli, Salem, Parembadur, etc. Besides, Havda and Sri Rampur is West Bengal are other important center. Kanpur is the biggest cotton textile center of Uttar Pradesh and it is called Manchester of the North India. Other centers are Varanasi, Agra, Hathras, Moradabad, Rampur, Lucknow, etc. The centers of cotton textile in Madhya Pradesh are Gwalior, Indore, Ujjain, Satna, Jabalpur, Bhopal, Ratlam, and Devas. In Karnataka, Mysore, Benagore, Mangalore, Bellary, and Chitradurg. And in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, Warangal, Guntur, Sikandrabad. In Kerala, Kannur, Tiruvananthapuram, Anantapur, and in Rajasthan, Jaipur, Kishangarh, Bhilwara, Ajmer are the main centers of this industry. Major cotton textiles centers can be seen in the map. So स्टूडेंट्स ये स्टेट्स हैं जहाँ पर कि कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज इस्टेब्लिश हैं. महाराष्ट्र नंबर 1 पर है जहाँ पर 119 मिल्स चल रही हैं और गुजरात सेकंड बिगेस्ट सेंटर है टेक्सटाइल मिल्स का. तमिलनाडु जो है वो हमारी कंट्री का 3rd रैंक पर आता है. वहाँ पर भी 439 स्मॉल यूनिट्स टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री की चल रही हैं. इसके साथ साथ उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, कर्नाटक, तेलंगाना, आंध्र प्रदेश, हैदराबाद, ये सारे केरला, ये सारे स्टेट्स जो है, राजस्थान, ये सारे स्टेट्स जो हैं वो कॉटन टेक्सटाइल के लिए फेमस हैं.